Right midfielder forward and kicker. Right midfielder forward and kicker. Right midfielder forward and kicker.
Hey, wing play. And join away wing play. Wait,
midfielder forward ang tingin.
Ano RMF right midfielder forward RMF si
MF itu midfielder ang kalampok.
defensive midfielder forward.
An kakak 4-4-2 game chun.
CMF center midfielder forward.
Luai ma chun an ma chun 4-2-4.
DMF defensive midfielder forward DMF defensive midfielder forward